There was a time in my life when I believed I had to do everything. I had to be there for everyone. I had to be a good doctor, a perfect mother, a supportive wife, a responsible daughter. And I thought if I just planned better, worked a little bit more harder, sacrificed a little bit more, maybe I could pull it off. But the truth is, perfection is a lie we're all sold. And I also bought it for years. I remember one evening, I was just trying to finish a patient file documents while my younger one was crying for attention and dinner was burning over the stove. I snapped at my child, at myself, and at the world. And I felt overwhelmed. I almost cried because I realized I was chasing an image. I was trying to create an image that was impossible to create. No one has ever told me this. You don't have to be perfect to be loved. You don't have to get it all right to be enough. And you are allowed to fall apart sometimes, especially as a mother. As women, especially as mothers, we are taught to serve silently, to smile through exhaustion. We are told that everything is going to be all right, to be there for everyone while not being ourselves. But let me tell you what I have learned. You don't have to earn your rest. You don't have to prove your worth. And you are allowed to ask for help. Now I've decided. I always choose grace over guilt, presence over perfection, progress over pressure. I don't always have to get it right, but I'm gentler with my mind, with myself. And that changes everything. If you're like me, you're also struggling to hold it all together. I see you. And I want you to know this. You are not weak for feeling tired. You are a human. You are a mother. You are already doing a lot. So breathe. Just let go of perfection and give yourself some compassion as a mother that you give to others. I'm Dr. E, and this is your reminder to be kind to one person you always forget, you. If this touched you, share it with another mom, a doctor, or a woman who needs it. Let's stop chasing dreams of becoming a perfect mother, a perfect woman in this world, and start choosing peace. Thank you for today.